Hi, Kevin McDonald here. I've been a property investor now for over 19 years and I've built up a multi-million pound property portfolio using creative property investment techniques. Right now I'm outside one of our properties that we purchased recently that is absolutely stink. If you want to see the first video on this property when we initially got the keys, you can watch that here now. When I got the keys to this, I am not kidding, it absolutely stank. It's one of the most disgusting properties I ever purchased. Now we're mid-refurb, so we've ripped out all the shit, all the smelly stuff is gone. Now it's looking like a proper property project. Let's go inside and let me show you what we've done so far. But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, the build team are inside at the moment, or what I call the strip out team. When we videoed this initially, that front door didn't even work. Now it moves, it opens. You can probably tell just from the side of the front door just how bad this property was when we initially came and looked around. We've took all of the wallpaper off the walls. I thought about leaving it, we changed our mind. It was probably okay to leave, but it stank. You just couldn't leave it there, you'd never get rid of the smell. Sitting room, make you famous. So sitting room, we just ripped everything off the walls, we've ripped the door frames out, and just ready to start to try to replaster, get it back, and start making it look like a nice new fresh home. A little bit difficult on lighting in here. Oh, we've got a little bit of light, but again, ripped out the walls, we've ripped out all the skirting boards, we've took off all the doors, we've took away all the radiators, so this is beginning to look like a blank canvas. Through to the kitchen, or where the kitchen was, where the new kitchen's gonna go, so we're almost back to brick across the whole kitchen. Took everything out, we've left the boiler for now. That actually is working, so we'll probably leave that, just box it in. We're going to be getting rid of the old water tank and all this space here to make use of it. But decent sized kitchen now that you've gone back to brick. The good thing about it, it's already got spotlights fitted in the roof, so it's pretty modern in terms of the roof lights for the kitchen. Back gardens, we've not touched it yet. If you want to see the back gardens, watch the first video here, but it's a complete jungle out there. Now, I like shit houses. I've been in a lot of refurbs. I've been in a lot of stinky, dirty properties. But where I am standing right now, when I stood here the last time I was in this house, there was a fridge there.
Oh my God.
That's cobwebs.
Oh my God.
That fridge was the most dirty, maggots, rotten, infested thing I've ever seen in my life. It stank. I can nearly feel it in my throat right now, and it's not even here anymore. Thank God that's gone. So let's head upstairs. So there's two ways we're going to make money on this deal. Way number one is clearly it was a shithole. We're just going to improve the quality of the property. We're going to make it look nice. We're going to modernize it. It's going to make money. Second way is we're going to change the layout. This here was the bedroom. This was the bathroom. This was the only bathroom. It was behind a bedroom. So we've got rid of the bathroom. This is going to be one really large double bedroom, and we're going to move the bathroom to a different part of the property. I'll show you where. Oh, and if you're wondering, is this special effects or what is this? This is the electrics. Should we leave this as a feature, as a light switch over the bed? I'm just going to turn my light on. Or get rid. Let me know in the comments. Get rid, leave. Love to know. I just can't decide. Large house. Big bedroom. What we're going to do here, because we've got rid of the bathroom now, is we're going to put a wall across here. We've still got a really large bedroom here, but we're going to have our bathroom here. So we're going to come in through this wall. Always hit the walls in a refurb, because that's not a structural wall. That's just a bit of timber work. We can knock it through, make a doorway, got a bathroom, and we've got 3 big double bedrooms on this property. Because the final room, so we're going to go in here for the bathroom, and the final room is a really large front double bedroom again. Again, we've just removed all the skirting boards, we've ripped everything out, and we've got it ready to start to put the property back together again. Now this is just a quick update on this property. If you want to learn how you can do deals just like this, then make sure you download a free report. It's in the pinned comments and it's in the description of this video, where you can learn how you can build your buy-to-let property portfolio in today's market, identify deals just like this and make massive money from property no matter where you live. Go now to the pinned comments or the description, download your report, and let's start getting you building your property business. If you want to watch another video on property investing, you can do that right here now. Before you go though, make sure you like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future content. I've been Kevin McDonald, you've been amazing, see you next time.